today. Today we're going to check out the Blink video doorbell. This is a high definition 1080p wired or wireless doorbell. I'm going to be trying it as a wireless doorbell for this video. Just got this in the mail today, so let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll show you some sample footage after. The item over here on the right is a corner mount. This is $12.99 if you need it. This came with it as a pre-order from Amazon. So it's kind of a shame they can't include this little piece of plastic in the box with you. But I guess not everybody needs it, and $12.99 really is not too expensive for something that only a little bit of people might need. This is only a $50 doorbell, so great price. If the video quality is at all good, like the Nest doorbell, then for 50 bucks it's a no-brainer. But we'll decide that after this video and after we get this unboxed and demoed. Alright, here is the box. As you can see, it's battery or wired, day and night vision, two-way audio, and then chime alerts. So as soon as someone walks up, it'll alert you saying it saw someone, or when they ring the doorbell, it'll also alert you. A little bit of more information on the product. What's in the box? The doorbell, of course, 2 batteries to run it, 4 screws, and 1 case opening tool. And as you can see, it also works with Alexa. Let's go ahead and check out what you get inside the box. Okay, here's the main unit itself. As you can see, it's just going to take 2 AA batteries. Nice and simple. And I'll show you as well in this video how to connect it to the app, how long it takes, and just how easy to use this guy is. So here's the mount. Looks pretty straightforward to me, but I'll let you know if I have any issues installing this. And they actually give you Energizer batteries, which is rare. Usually they include some sort of cheap Chinese batteries that'll last a very short time. So it's nice to see high-end, good quality batteries included. Here's a quick start guide. Then you got the mounting screws. And then a pry tool to open up your case. Alright, let's pretend that we're mounting it. There is a little bit of silicone around here, so this is weatherproof. Alright, we have it connected. Sorry you didn't see most of that. I was having issues with getting it connected to my phone and Wi-Fi. You do have to set up an email address, which they verify with a code. They also want your phone number, which you can verify with a text or a phone call. Now make sure you have your local network on in your iPhone settings. Otherwise, this simply will not connect. For a minute, I thought there was something wrong with it. Then I forgot that that may have been not checkmarked. And I went into my settings and it was not. And then as soon as I checkmarked it, it connected with no issue whatsoever. It did have a quick firmware update. Let's go ahead and see where we go now. So we're going to do it without wiring. You can also do it with wiring. You do have to have an existing doorbell. So let's do without wiring for this. Okay, I'm not going to install it right now. I'm just going to do no. See, this is the wedge corner part. Once again, not everybody's going to need it, but it's $12.99 if you do. I got it for free because I pre-ordered this. I personally don't think I'm going to need it. So no. So you gotta drill holes, screw on this back cover. There's 2 holes here, 1 there and 1 there. That's gonna secure it to your house. And then you place it on the back cover. Seems very easy. Now, off camera, I tried to get this on, and I got it on with no problem. I don't think people, unfortunately, there's a lot of dumb people in this world, and they can't follow instructions. So these have tabs that have like kind of hooks on them. So you gotta push it in like it's showing, and then push it upward. And I don't think people are realizing that you gotta push it upward. I think they're just trying to simply push it on, and they can't get it on, so they're getting frustrated and sending it back, which is kind of ridiculous, but people do that. So you push down and you push upward. As you can see, that pushed up, and so now it's locked in place, and that's it. That's as simple as it is to mount. So all those negative reviews, that's a big bummer, just because people are not smart enough to follow simple instructions. That's all you need. So I'm going to pretend like I have this mounted, and installation is complete. So very easy to install. Arm your system for motion. That's pretty cool. Of course we want that. Recorded clips can be found there. Press the Blink Video Doorbell to arm. Well, alrighty then. Someone is at my door. Who could that be? Okay, we'll check that. My God, who is that?
My God, who is that?
It's a phone.
My God, who is it? It's a phone.
Get him.
It's a phone. Get him.
You can see what's underneath my chair. Let's see how good the... So yeah, we're going to continue. See if we can read this. It's dark under there too. That's not that bad. You can read that pretty good. So you can discard it or save the video. Let's go ahead and save it, because that is super important. And we're just going to let it go ahead and disconnect automatically, because it wants to know if you want to keep watching. Let's go to the saved videos. These are the 5 that we just made. Hey, pretty cool. Then in a separate video, I'll set this up right next to my Nest, and we'll see which one's truly better. I mean, this is only 50 bucks. The Nest is $229, I believe. But so far, for 50 bucks, I think this is going to be really good for our warehouse, because we always do need the doorbell. It is nice that it's going to be on our phone now, because sometimes we're all the way in the back of the warehouse and someone pushes the doorbell and we can't hear it. So at least we'll get a quick alert saying, okay, someone's at the door, and we can see if it's like FedEx or UPS or... Alright, here's some really quick sample footage. This is just in my garage with quite a bit of light. It is dark outside, but as you can see, there's tons of light in my garage. I'm going to turn off the lights and see how quickly it switches to infrared. Pretty much instant, which is really nice. Kind of fun, you can even see the bugs flying around now, and before, there's no idea there's bugs out there. Audio test from about 8 feet away. Not bad overall. One thing I did notice, after turning back on the lights, it doesn't switch back to color immediately. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button, consider subscribing, helps me out a lot. And if you want to see anything specific on this doorbell, please let me know. And you guys have a great day.